Reopen a closed window with all its tabs in Microsoft Edge. I've closed a Microsoft Edge 2.5.10586.0.0, a window that had multiple old tabs on it restored over multiple starts, while unawares that I'd minimized a single window with nothing important on it. Now if I quit Edge, when I next start it with reopen last session, it will only open the unimportant window and not the important, recently closed one. I can try Ctrl-Shift-T, but it reopens only tabs specific to the remaining Windows history. If I look in the history, which I cannot search, I am amazed to not see very many of the tabs I just closed. E.g. a Docker image for Apache Drill, some GitHub pages, etc. Is reopening the last closed window with all its tabs a missing feature? This is infuriating. Is there a workaround?
You can now do this using the new Microsoft Edge feature that ships with the Creators Update in Windows 10. It's called Set These Tabs Aside. While it's not as easy as simply clicking Exit on Chrome or Firefox, you can indeed have many new browser instances open, reboot, and click tabs you've set aside and successfully restore your previous browser state. Edit. Now with the Chromium version of Edge out, this issue is now fixed.
The same thing just happened to me. I had multiple windows open and accidentally closed one that had several important tabs. In a panic I searched for a way to restore the closed window, and came across this very question. From the other answer and the comments, my heart began to sink. But then I realized that they are outdated. This is how it works in recent versions of Edge, which are based on Chromium. If you close a window containing more than one tab, and if you have yet to open any new tab in any other window, then you can reopen the closed window either by right-clicking on the tab area in any of the remaining open windows, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+T as indicated in the picture below.
This is now possible to do, which is fantastic. Right-click at the top of your window and from the context menu select Reopen Closed Window. When the window appears, right-click and select Restore Window. Hey presto, you have recovered from the so easy to do accidental window closing when you have other windows open too, and who doesn't these days?
Just happened to me as well, but I had no reopen closed window option available since I have opened new tabs already. Or maybe because of the situation that I had several workspaces windows open but accidentally closed my main non-workspace window. This is how I got it back. Open a new tab in any of the workspace windows. Drag the new tab out of it in order to create a non-workspace window. There you can go to the history and find a collapsed entry that contains all your closed main Windows tabs. Click on the collapsed entry. All the tabs, including groups, are back.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.